I hit this issue today and hit as the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a charge on your Discover card, follow these steps to get it sorted out online. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discover website and log into your account using your username and password. This will give you access to your account details and transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section. This is where you can view all your recent charges and identify the one you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the charge. Find the specific charge you want to dispute and click on it for more details. Make sure to double-check the amount and date to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the option to dispute the charge. Click on it and follow the prompts to provide details about why you are disputing the charge. Be as specific as possible. Step 5. Review and submit. After filling out the dispute form, review your information for accuracy and then submit it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Disputing a charge could feel daunting, but following these steps makes it straightforward. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Discover's customer service for assistance. Good luck!